I've got some updated information from Watch Me Work livestream number 296, where we looked at simplifying and customizing the Joomla registration form. And also some news to talk about from an announcement that Tassos.gr just made. Let's talk about that. Brought to you by mysites.guru. Do you have a Joomla site? Of course you do. Head on over to mysites.guru and get a free site audit for it. Hey there, Joomla fans. Tim Davis here. I'm a Joomla fan too. Thanks for tuning into Maintenance Monday number 319 here on the Basic Joomla channel, where I show you my favorite extensions, tools, and tips for building and maintaining Joomla sites. I also work on Joomla sites, build them, maintain them, do all the stuff. If you're looking to hire someone for short term or long term, or just to get you off the spot, send me an email, tim@cybersalt.com, and let's talk. Okay, let's turn our attention to the screen. And first of all, I want to give you the updated information. So we saw in Watch Me Work Livestream 296, link will be in the video description below, that you can do a lot of things using convert forms as a registration form on your Joomla site that you can't do with the core Joomla registration extension. And so, of course, convert forms is from Tassos.gr. Now, one of the things that we saw that you couldn't do was turn off registration through the core Joomla registration extension, because convert forms was using the settings that Joomla was set to. So if you said you can't register an account, then you couldn't register an account using convert forms either. And the reason that that wasn't really great was because convert forms has a much more robust anti-spam bot system, using its honeypot field, using reCAPTCHA or turnstile from Cloudflare, which I like. So I reached out to Tassos after that live stream and said, hey, could these be separated? And very quickly, he did change it. So now you can turn off the default core registration system. So in users options, you can turn off registration, and then you can still use convert forms for people to register on your site using all the benefits of convert form. So I wanted to give you some updated information about that. Check out the live stream for all the details. Which brings me to the other thing I wanted to talk about, is that Tassos put a blog post out here saying that he's not going anywhere. Tassos.gr is not going anywhere. And as he explains in this blog post, which of course I'll put the link on in the video description below, he's saying that, with the news of Rocket Theme shutting down on June the 30th and other things in Joomla, some people are worried or panicky, like, oh, what's happening to Joomla? And he has a really great blog post about his own company, and not only about their plans to continue to develop and support their extensions for Joomla, but also talking about what happens if something happens to him. So check that out. I mention it just to give you confidence. Don't panic. Joomla's going to be around for a long time, and we've got excellent developers like Tassos who are going to be around a long time with it. Subscribe for more videos. Until the next time, enjoy your Joomla sites, and God bless.